Hey, it's Brittany, your Houston realtor. We are here back again on the west side of Houston at the Gatherings. It's a Beazer Homes new construction community. It's actually a condominium community. And we are here looking at their Wiltshire plan. It is the largest square footage plan that they have. And so if you were here for the last video, we showed the plan with the least amount of square footage, the Clifton. And so if you haven't checked that out, you might want to see the difference. There are other two middle plans that are kind of in the middle as far as square footage goes. So I really am excited to show you this one. It's a little over 2,000 square feet, and so it's pretty large. I think the space is very well laid out. I think you'll enjoy that. So kind of like last video, I mentioned that this is kind of a lock and leave community where you can just get up at a moment's notice, and the maintenance is less than a typical traditional single family style home. And so if you are looking for that, this is the place. They do have an HOA that covers lots of things, and I will make sure to cover that so that you are knowledgeable on what is offered here. If you're ready, let's go take a look at this one. All right, here we are looking at the Wiltshire plan. This plan is 2,031 square feet. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and really it's the amenities here that are so special. You have social, activity, and fitness spaces, in addition to a putting green, dog park, grilling pavilion. You have your own private balcony and a garage for every single unit. Enjoy. I think you're gonna like this one.